A 3.84 kilogram object going 42 meters per second, this is just meters per second, experiences a force of negative 231.5 newtons for, oh, so this force is slowing it down. It's moving to the right, but this force is slowing it down. Let's draw a picture of this. So here's this object. Let's say it's going this way at 42 meters per second, right? And there's a force this way acting on it, right? Of 23, and the net force of 23.5 newtons. That's the only force, let's just say. Okay, it's 3.84. Okay, so notice that we have the mass, and we have the force, and so we're going to find the acceleration first. So F equals ma. If you have the force and the mass, do the acceleration first. So minus 23.5, okay, equals 3.84 times a. So a is equal to negative 23.5 divided by 3.84 is negative 6.1197. So in this case, it's sliding to the right. The acceleration's to the left. So this thing's slowing down meters per second squared. So now we're set. Now we can do x, vi, vf, a, and t. And our initial velocity is 42 meters per second. Our time is 2.60 seconds. Our acceleration is this guy, right? So we're just going to whoop, 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 whoop. You got to make that sound. 6.1197 meters per second squared. And what do we want? Oh, we just want the final velocity. So I guess we use no x, right? So use VF is VI plus AT, right? VF is equal to 42 plus negative 6.1197 times 2.60. All right, I can do this. I can do this. 42 plus negative the answer I just got. Whoops. That answer is already negative, so I'm going to go times 2.6. And I get that it's the final velocity is 26.0885. So I guess the final velocity is about, we have like 3 digits here, so I'm going to say it's 26.1 meters per second. That's fun, right? So in this problem, you got to solve for the acceleration first. So anytime you have the mass and the force first, right, find the acceleration, then use that. That's like our clue then to do kinematics, right? And we'll practice these in class.